of a cold one last night. My legs were very chilly. I think how Pacho was. He didn't have anything to sleep on. Still, beautiful sunrise. Stars last night were incredible. Ooh. Go Pacho, go, go! Don't know how Pacho's gonna get home. I've only fed him a little bit. I'm sure someone will take him off my hands in Ojos Negros.
From 1,000 meters above sea level, it was a short and mostly downhill ride into Ojos Negros, where I would be able to get some much needed water. It was this point in the trip I lost my beloved canine companion Pacho. After the downhill, I stopped and waited for him to catch up, but he was nowhere to be seen. I told a few of the local rancho owners that the dog had been following me, so I'm sure he got a ride home. He's probably still chasing Baja riders to this day. I tried to recruit a new dog to join me, but he was having none of it. With energy and supplies replenished, he was back into the mountains along some well-used Baja 1000 trails, climbing back up to 1,000 meters above sea level to the high point of Tres Hermanos.
So it's been a pretty good day so far. Rolled into Ojos Negros within like an hour, was there for like 9 AM. I lost Pacho on the downhill, he couldn't keep up, so I don't know where he got to. Poor little dog. And yeah, found a nice little cafe, had a big breakfast. It's been dirt track south ever since. And yeah, it's been alright riding. I think legs have woken up. They're still a bit tired, but hasn't been too hilly. But I reckon there's going to be a bit of a hill coming up. And then it should be downhill to... I can't remember what the name of the place is. But apparently there's hot springs there. So that will be nice. Abandoned house. So yeah, this is a potential place to stay the night. It's so peaceful around here. I mean, I could make it to the town with the hot springs. I think there's a campsite there. But this just seems a bit more fun. Let's go take a look. There's even been a princess here. Oh. feel like the roof could potentially cave in at any moment. Well, it's not as nice inside as it is on the outside, but...
From the high point of Tres Hermanos, there was a rough, undulating downhill into Uruapan, where there was an official campsite and the fabled hot springs.
What an incredible evening. I'm barely keeping my eyes on the road because the scenery is just so amazing. Oh, I need to change up. Well, I'm not sure if I'm going to make it into town, but I'm just going to keep riding because I'm enjoying myself.
I kept riding till the sun dropped below the horizon and made it to the campsite in Uruapan, where two of my fellow Baja riders had arrived moments before me. The campsite was unfortunately situated on a hill next to the Mex1 highway, so we had the sweet sound of lorries using their air brakes throughout the night. A reminder that in Baja, the best campsites are free.
It's the Pacific Ocean. I'm eating a Snicker. Been a good day. In the hot springs, so I'm clean-ish. So I'm gonna camp by the sea. Can't wait. To the beach! Felt like a small milestone reaching the Pacific Ocean. It was a moment I had thought about 6 months prior when first planning my trip,
and had now become a reality. From here, it was a short coastal ride, taking in the salty sea air and watching the waves crash before finding a place to set up camp.
I love the sea! So yeah, I'm just gonna camp here for tonight because it is beautiful. Look at it! Campsite heaven. Look at this. Let's see. Sunset. Watching the birds coming down and fishing. That's the dinner. See what I can make out of that.